Visiting the Roman Colosseum is a must when in Rome, but it's important to know about your ticketing options to make the most of your experience. So keep watching to discover everything you need to know about Colosseum tickets and how to avoid cancellations.
First things first, we suggest you purchase your tickets from the official website at colosseo.it. Remember that Viator and Get Your Guide are marketplaces and not providers. It is possible that they might not be able to secure tickets, leading to last-minute cancellations. To avoid taking any risks, buy tickets directly from colosseo.it. Ticket lines can be long, sometimes taking up to 1 to 3 hours, so booking time tickets in advance is highly recommended to skip the lines.
Tickets are released 30 days in advance, and new tickets are made available daily. So, for example, tickets available on February 16th will be available on January 16th, and so on and so forth.
Here's a breakdown of the main ticket options available. First, there's the 24-hour Colosseum ticket. This ticket grants you access to the Colosseum's first and second levels, plus the Roman Forum and Palatine Hill. Arena floor and underground are not included. You'll have 24 hours to explore from your first entry. Tickets are 16 euros for adults, 2 euros for Europeans aged 18 to 25, and free for children under 18. This ticket is perfect if you're short on time. If you have more time to spare, we highly recommend you go for the full experience tickets. A full experience ticket gives you 48 hours of access to the Colosseum's arena floor, the first and second levels, the Roman Forum, Palatine Hill, and the exciting part, the super sites. These are extra historic spots near the Colosseum that you can't visit with just the standard tickets. Some of these are the House of Augustus, the House of Livia, the exhibition rooms of Domus Tiberiana, Santa Maria Antiqua, and the Curia Julia. Keep in mind when you're picking your full experience ticket, there are options to choose from. You can choose the standard full experience previously listed, or you can choose from these two options. The full experience ticket with underground access and the full experience ticket with arena and third level access. The full experience ticket with underground access is the most exclusive option. In addition to the areas covered by the full experience ticket, this ticket includes access to the Colosseum underground. It's a unique and limited access area, and tickets for this part of the Colosseum often sell out quickly. If you get the full experience ticket with the arena and third level access, you'll get to explore the Colosseum arena, plus check out the third level and the attic. The third level gives you an awesome view of the Colosseum and the city, and the attic offers a totally different perspective, showing off the top architectural details of the monument. Just so you know, this ticket doesn't include the underground, but it's a perfect choice if you want to see the Colosseum from all sorts of different heights. And the best part, all of these tickets are just 24 euros for adults, and they're totally free for kids under 18. The last ticket available is the Forum Pass Super. This one's a bit different, as it doesn't get you into the Colosseum, but gives you 24-hour access to the Roman Forum and super sites. This is a great option if you're mainly focused on the Forum. It's priced at 18 euros for adults and free for kids under 18.
So to wrap it up, keep in mind a ticket that best fits your schedule and interest. For first-time visitors, I highly recommend a guided tour. You'll be able to skip the lines, learn the history of the Colosseum in Rome, and you'll be able to book outside of the 30-day window. You can find different types of guided tours at roaming.it/shop, so don't forget to look there when you're ready to book. And make sure to follow Roaming for all your tips on your next trip to Rome.